Never thought I'd see the day the truck goes on a lift. But here we go.
Welcome to Cheapskate Garage.
Here's a little update. How many of you know what that part is? Pretty cool, huh? I feel really lucky because I'm down here working off a lift and I still managed to find the floor to work. What the hell's wrong with me? But this makes it so much easier. If you're taking out the leaf spring bushings, don't drill them out. Is what you got to do is only one side is going to come out. Let me grab it real quick. So is what you do is, let me show you. So you can see this side of it, smashed it in, smashed it in, smashed it in, and then this whole part you can bang out. If you don't do that, this out here is like locked to the leaf spring, and it makes it unbearable. And that's why you hear guys say, oh, I drilled out my bushing. But this was really easy to take it out. Me and my shitty welded exhaust and JB welded shit and everything. And you. Told you Big Smoky burnout was coming. Hell yeah. I really can't wait for this summer. I mean, I didn't do a burnout, did I? Think I might have what it takes to go to Cletus and Cars and enter the burnout competition? I probably do. I don't have the money to get there though. So make sure you like and subscribe. Maybe someday I'll get there. No, we ain't taking bog rips or anything. So once my buddy found out that my burnout was a three-gear burnout, or in third, he has to redo it. Here it is. Yeah, I'd say he one-upped me. You guys have a good night. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. And hey, keep subscribing and tell your buddies about it because we got more racing coming up here in just like, what, 3 weeks away? So we're going to have fun. We'll catch you guys next time.